An observer of height 1.8 meter is 13.2 meter away from a palm tree. The angle of elevation of the top of tree from his eye is 45 degrees. What is the height of the palm tree? So here observer is at a distance of 13.2 meter away from a palm tree. The height of the observer is also given, that it is 1.8 meters. And he is observing the top of the tree with an angle of elevation 45 degrees. Now we need to find the height of the tree. Let us visualize this problem first. Imaginary tree represents its vertical height with a straight line xy, and on the ground at a distance of 13.2 meter away from the foot of the tree, observer is standing there, and represent the observer's height with a straight line AB, and it is given as 1.8 meters. So label 1.8 meters, that is AB equals to 1.8 meters. From this point B, the observer is observing the top of the tree with an angle of elevation 45 degrees. Let us join point B and the top point of the tree Y. This will give us line of sight. And from this observer side, we need to take one more line, that is horizontal line. So let us take a horizontal line BZ, and the angle between line of sight and horizontal line is 45 degrees. So let us label 45 degrees here. Now remove the pictures from this diagram. Now if we observe this diagram, we have the length of AB, that is 1.8 meters, and also we have the length of AX, that is 13.2 meters. The vertical lines AB and XY are perpendicular to the ground. Hence this quadrilateral ABZX is the rectangle. So we can write AX equals to BZ, and also we can write length of AB equals to length of XZ. Now to find the height of the tree, that is XY. Here if you observe, XY is the sum of the two parts, that is XZ and ZY. And already XZ is nothing but it is the length of the observer AB. So we have XZ 1.8 meters. Now we need to find the length of YZ. If we find the length of YZ, then we can know the height of the tree. So to find the YZ, we need to consider triangle BYZ. In this triangle, we have the angle B, that is 45 degrees, and also we have the length of the side BZ, that is 13.2 meters, and we need to find the length of YZ. So for the 45 degrees, we have the adjacent side and we need to find the opposite side. So we need to consider tan trigonometric ratio. So by taking tan trigonometric ratio, tan 45 degrees equals to YZ by BZ, and substituting their values, we get 1 equals to YZ by 13.2, and simplifying this, we get Y equals to 13.2 meters. So now the total height of the tree, that is XY equals to XZ plus ZY, and substituting XZ and ZY values, we get the height of the tree is 15 meters. Therefore, the height of the tree is 50 meters. In the adjacent figure, AC equals to 6 centimeters, AB equals to 5 centimeters, angle BAC equals to 30 degrees. Find the area of the triangle. So in the adjacent figure, a triangle ABC is given, and also the lengths of the two sides AB and AC are given. AB equals to 5 centimeters and AC equals to 6 centimeters. And also one angle is given, that is angle BAC 30 degrees. And we need to find the area of this triangle. We know very well, to find the area of a triangle, that is, we need to use the formula half into base into its corresponding height. Now here if you observe, we have the lengths of two sides only, and out of these two sides we can use any one side as the base. So let's suppose we are using side AC as the base. For this side AC, we need to have its corresponding height to find the area of this triangle, but the height is not there. So let us construct the height from the vertex B. So let us draw a perpendicular line from point B to the base AC and represent the point where the perpendicular meets AC with D. Now BD is the perpendicular to AC, and here we have the base of the triangle. For this base, BD is the perpendicular, and we don't know the length of this BD. We need to find the length of this perpendicular line. Then only we can get the area of the triangle. So let us first find the height of the triangle, that is BD. If you observe in this triangle BDA, we have angle A 30 degrees, and also we have the length of side AB, that is 5 centimeters. We need to find the length of BD. So to find this, the BD is the opposite side for the given angle 30 degrees, and AB, side AB is the hypotenuse. So to find the length of BD, we need to use sine trigonometric ratio. So let us take sine 30 degrees equals to BD by AB, and substituting their values we get 1 by 2 equals to BD by 5, and simplifying this equation we get BD equals to 5 by 2. So now we have the base of the triangle ABC, and also we have the height of the triangle ABC. Now we can find the area of the triangle ABC. Let us find area of the triangle ABC equals to half into base into corresponding height, and substituting their values we get area of the triangle ABC equals to 1 by 2 into 6 into 5 by 2, and further simplification we get area of the triangle is 7.5 square centimeter. So this is the required area of the given triangle ABC.